Okay, the let's move on our lesson. Our reading sekhambalar qayerda edi? Mana bu yerda. Yuklayapman. Xo'p, nimaga tugatgan edik? That's why automation is key to precision farming. Ko'rgan edik. Specifically, say agricultural engineers, precision farming needs robot farmers. Specifically, aniqlik bilan, say agricultural engineers, ya'ni shu agricultural injenerlarga aytilsa, bu nima desak bo'ladi? Agricultural engineers. Bir tushundik. Agricultural engineerslarga aytilsa, precision 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 aniqlik aniq yuritilgan ferma needs robot farmers. Robot fermerlar kerak ekan. Okay. One day, bir kuni, we made see fields with agricultural robots that can identify individual seedlings and encourage them along with drops of fertilizer. Bilmagan so'zlarimiz ko'p ekan. Birinchi identify bilamiz, can identify individuals. Individuallarda identify qiladi. Aniqlaydi, taniy oladi. Seedling and encourage them. Encourage ta'minlaydi along with drops of fertilizer. Nima deganmiz? Along with bo'ylab bo'lsa kerak. Along with drops fertilizer. Hop. Birinchi bo'lib seedlings. Seedling, a very young plant that has grown from a seed. Raise the seedlings in the greenhouse. Nihol bo'lsa kerak. Seedlings. A young plant. Nihol ekan. Niholchilar. Har bir niholchaga individual qaraydi deyapti, qarorat deyapti. Va encourage them along with drops fertilizer. Bu qanaqadir bo'lsa kerak edi. Drop fertilizer. Lekin bu. Meaning. O'g'it tushirish masalasiga. Along with. Get along with each other. Get on business. Along with. Get your fitness. Bo'ylab. Ta'minlaydi. Har bir niholga individual qaraydi va ularda o'g'itlar bilan qanaqa o'g'it edi? O'g'itlar bilan ta'minlaydigan. Other machines would distinguish problem weeds from crops and eliminate them with shots from high-power lasers or a microbot of pesticide. Distinguish o'ziga xos belgidagi bitta fe'l bo'lib kelayotgan. Distinguish. Bu yerda qancha tez bo'lish emas, qancha tushunarli bo'lish. Agar tushunadigan bo'lsak, o'zimizga gapirib beraman. Tushunish bu muhim. Maydalab tushuntirishga harakat qilyapman. Distinguish. Distinguish again. To notice or understand the difference between two things. Ikkita narsa o'rtasidagi farqni tushunish yoki xabar berish. His color blend and can't distinguish. Farqlamoq. Boshqa mashinalar crops jo'xori plant or for food. Jo'xori problems with from crops. Ya'ni jo'xoridagi namlik muammosini aniqlaydi, farqlay oladi va eliminate them with shots with boshqa narsa. Any plant unwanted place. Mana enaqa ekanda. Keraksiz o'tlar, xalaqit beradigan o'tlarni olib tashlar ekan. Makajo'xorining orasida ortiqcha o'tlarni tozalay olar ekan. Waste shots. Bizga shot. Make about the shots. Nima yo'q ekan? Shot to move verb to move bor ekan. O'ydiramoq. Mana the first part of plant to appear above ground as it develops from a seed or any new growths on an already existed. Pause. Pause olmayapti-ku. Pause qilib turish kerak-da. Bo'pti, mayli. Shu yerda to'xtab turamiz, keyin davom etamiz.